Hello everyone, I'm here to show you an easy solution that will sanitize your diamond rings and clean it and let it sparkle. So my diamond rings are dirty. They look gray, boring, and not completely clean. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what to use. First I'm going to show you the things that you need. Okay, you're going to need some hydrogen peroxide. I think I got this from Walmart. I have some ammonia that I had for a while. Got it from Dollar Tree or some dollar store. You're going to need a toothbrush. Now a lot of these tutorials tell you to use a brand new toothbrush. Y'all save your old toothbrushes, because with this solution you're not going to scrub real hard. You're going to be gentle on your jewelry. But for this review I'm using this that I got from the dollar store a while back. You're going to need a jar. Plastic is better. I know this is a glass jar. Have the top to it, but use anything that you have on hand. Okay, you're going to want to use a stopper so you can stop up your sink so your rings don't go down and drain. So I'm going to put my stopper in. I have the camera here so you can't see the stopper. So what I want to say is that a lot of these jewelry stores, especially the chain jewelry stores at the mall, sometimes they're not all that gentle with your jewelry. I have had stones missing when I get home, and this happened more than once. Okay, if you have a warranty that comes with you getting your rings clean and they will replace diamonds, okay, that's okay. But I didn't have no such warranty, and I had to get those rings fixed, and let me tell you, it was very expensive. So let me get on with it. Let me take my rings off. And these are old rings I had for a while, except this one. Y'all have seen this plenty of times. See, they're not shining like they should. So you're going to get your jar. Oh, I want to say this first. Disclaimer. I don't want no kids under 18 trying this. You do this at your own risk if you're an adult. Be very careful. Be very gentle with your jewelry with this method. Keep all these chemicals away from small kids. So I'm going to take my peroxide, and I'm going to say put 2 tablespoons in, but I'm going to just pour it in. Maybe I'll get a spoon. I'll do it. 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. And you're going to take about 3 or 4 tablespoons of your ammonia. Two, 4. You could even do it with 2, but this is what I'm doing today. Okay. So you want to move it around a bit. Take your rings, you're going to put it in the solution, and it's kind of hard to see, but anyway, you will see, sometimes you will see bubbles. This is a cheap brand of peroxide, And usually if you use a good kind, you will see it bubbling up and stuff. This didn't really bubble up, but you can see now, you can see dirt coming up off the ring. You see little particles in there. What you want to do is leave the rings in here for about 25 minutes. Okay, see more and more little particles coming up off the ring. So I'm going to wait for a while, and then when I come back, I'm going to scrub it a little bit and then put it back in there. Okay, so I'll see you guys soon. Okay, now you can see a little bit more stuff that came off these rings. So now it's time for me to scrub it. I'm going to take it out. Again, have a stopper in your sink. If you don't have a stopper, take a rag and block the hole in, something that's big where your rag won't be going down the drain. You know, y'all know what to do. So you're going to take some of that solution and you're going to lightly scrub the top of the rings. Don't scrub too hard because you don't want to disturb these diamonds when they fall out, because rings like these with these little itty bitty stones that I have, they are easy to dislodge, and then you have to get it fixed. Lightly scrub the back of the ring. Like I said, you could use an older toothbrush if you want to, you know, new or old. Just save your old ones that you're about to throw out. Scrub a little bit. Dip it in the solution again and lightly scrub the top again and the sides all around this ring. You can scrub the band if you want to, because this also gets the germs out of your rings. You know, sometimes we don't realize that a watch or rings that you're wearing every day, they collect germs, and they should be washed. They should be cleaned on a regular basis. That's just my opinion. So you guys, I'm going to put it right on back in that jar, and I'm going to let it go for about 15 minutes this time. You could do 10 and just let it set a little more so it can dislodge some more of that dirt that's coming up out of the rings. And I will be back with the results, y'all. So we are done here. It's time for me to take it out. I forgot to add, you're going to need a lint-free cloth or a paper towel to dry your rings off. So I'm going to take it out now. Okay, you can put it in a get this out. And take some water, lukewarm water. Put the ring in, the rings in, and just keep it in there for a few seconds. And take them back out. And you're going to take your cloth and you're going to dab it like that. You're going to dry around your ring. And be careful with your stones. Try to paper towel. See how clean they're looking now? See that sparkle? So I'm going to put them on so you can see what they're looking like. Look how much better they look. And see, these products that I use, they're so easy to get. They're inexpensive. You don't have to spend a lot of money. That ammonia, that big bottle was, I believe, $1. And the Equate peroxide, I think it was 90 something cents. And it's a nice big size. Both of the bottles are big. So you will have it for a while. And you can clean your rings at home. You can keep them sanitized and beautiful. And this solution here, I'm going to throw mine out, but you could keep it for a little while to put your rings back in at night, or put them in for, you know, 5-10 minutes before you go to work. But be careful with these chemicals around kids and animals. Okay, so that's the end of it, and I just wanted to show y'all this. I wouldn't call it a hack, but it's a great way to keep your jewelry clean and in good shape and everything looking like new. You know, you buy this jewelry, and like this is an old ring right here, and I don't intend on buying any more jewelry no time soon, so I'm trying to take care of my stuff, you know. So I will talk to you guys later. I hope you enjoyed this video. Talk to you again soon. Bye.